We're here at a secondary school for our Creative Challenge Day. We've trained up Year 10s to teach Year 8s. The day is about leadership, cooperation, teamwork, and we've seen some amazing things today. Lots of smiles on people's faces, lots of people getting involved.
I find it really interesting to see how the kids interact with each other, giving those Year 10s that opportunity to show what they're capable of.
Today I've been leading a group of Year 8s through a bunch of maths related problem solving activities. My favourite activity so far has been making a pyramid out of pieces of paper and putting it together and then colouring in so that the colours don't collide with the same colour.
I've really enjoyed today because watching the faces of the Year 8s when they finish their task is really uplifting.
My favourite activity was building a big pyramid because we got to build it out of sticks and elastic bands.
The Year 8s have responded really well. To start with, they were a little unsure until they got to know them, but the Year 10s were great at encouraging them to get involved in the activities. There were smiles all round in the end, and mostly people really engaged in what they were doing.
It's really rewarding when you see everyone working together and getting the right answers.
I think it's great to be able to have a maths enrichment day like this and show that maths isn't just sitting down doing sums in the classroom, that it's much more engaging than that.
My favourite thing I've done today with Year 8s is definitely building a pop-up dodecahedron because it's just really exciting.
It's a different way of seeing maths, like making little pop-ups like you find in a book, things like that. It's good to remember from.
I've really enjoyed today because it's taught me a lot about leadership qualities and I feel more confident leading a group of people now.
I've really enjoyed today because we've done a lot of activities which have been fun.
If your school's interested in a Spaghetti Maths day, please get in touch.